book is called Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. Snow. Look at how excited he is. Snow, snow, come out in the snow. Snow, snow, just look at the snow. Come out, come out, come out in the snow. I want to know if you like snow. Do you like it? Yes or no? Oh yes, I do like snow. Do you like it in your face? Yes, I like it any place. I don't think I'd like it in my face.
Me neither.
No. What is snow? We do not know, but snow is lots of fun, we know. Look at they're catching snowflakes on their tongue. I used to do that. What makes it snow? We do not know, but snow is fun to dig and throw. Snow is good for me and you, for men and women, horses too. Snow is good, it makes you slide. It lets you give your dog a ride. Snow is good for making tracks and making pictures with your backs. Snow angels, that's what we call them. We go uphill, the snow is deep. We can't go fast, the hill is steep. We think our dog has gone to sleep. But then we get up top at last. Then down we come down fast. Sometimes we put on long, long feet and walk up every hill we meet. What are those long feet called?
Skis.
Skis. Downhill we fly, downhill we sail. Our dog sails after on his tail. Look at him. He's bouncing down the hill.
It's funny.
What a silly thing to do. Are your feet too long for you? Come on, get up. Get on your way. We have a lot to do today. Uh-oh, he got buried, didn't he? Oh. Now take some snow and make a ball. A lot of snowballs make a wall. Gonna build a fort. Put on more snowballs one by one. Our house of snow will soon be done. Do you like bread? Do you like meat? Come in our house. Come in and eat. You can have a picnic in their snow house. Snow is lots of fun, all right. It gives you a big appetite. We had our bread. We had our meat. Some bread is left for birds to eat. That's nice, they're sharing with the birds. Now make another ball of snow. Push it, see it go. What a snowball. See it grow and grow and grow. Uh-oh, he better get out of the way fast. What will we make? Let's make a man. Let's make the biggest man we can. We will call our snowman Ned, but first he has to have a head. His head will have to have a hat. His hat is on. Just look at that. He is so big. He is so tall. He is the biggest man of all. The sun, that sun, it came out fast. Do you think Ned is going to last?
Nope.
No, he's getting drippy, isn't he? Keep that sun away from Ned. That sun is going to his head. The biggest snowman of them all is very, very, very small. Uh-oh, he melted. The sun, the way that sun is coming down, there soon will be no snow in town. Take some, save it from the sun. Take all you can and run, run, run. The snow out there will come and go, but snow will keep in here, we know. So we will put this snow away and play with it some other day. Look at all that snow in the freezer. You think their mom will like that?
No.
Maybe not. The end. What's this book called? Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Look at the little bird on the ice skates. Cute. He's having fun. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. He's at Toad's trees. Look at little Toad. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 trees he's going to pick up. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Look at little Toad hauling that big tree all by himself. What's that?
Kernel.
That's pretty. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. How many cardinals now? 1,
4.
4. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? There he is, delivering his trees. Wow, look at these big hills they gotta go up and down. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. She took the big one. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Look at their pretty Christmas colored hats and scarves.
Cute.
Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. He took this one, number 3. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. 1, 2. 2 left. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Oh, he got that one. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree left. Look at the stars. I like that. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Oh, look at that. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Good night.